Hi guys, I'm so excited about my new light I just purchased. I had to share with you how simple, easy, and even enjoyable the purchase process was. I googled Steel Lighting Co. and browsed their ceiling lights and found a gorgeous modern bowl light called the Westwood. I was able to customize the color and even the mount, so I went ahead and I ordered it. I could choose the product I wanted, and the color options were super fun to play with. The checkout process was also a breeze. Simply by entering my email and my information, they were able to get it shipped almost instantly. I chose the Westwood because of the clean, modern industrial aesthetic, and I really feel like it completed the desired look we were going for in our kitchen. The light and parts were carefully packed, and then installation was also simple and convenient because the product is just super high quality. Thank you, Steel Lighting Co. I am so happy with my new light.